The time was around 4 to 5 days before my birthday when a sudden wave of realization hit me that I'm 19 now and I won't be a teenager anymore after 1 year. But I ignored this feeling as I was excited for my birthday party, though this thought was still deep down in my heart. After my birthday ended, I kinda started feeling sad over the fact that I am getting old and everything will keep on changing as I grow old. I won't be as carefree as I am right now, and I will be given so many responsibilities. But like I said, I ignored everything initially after thinking that's how life works. Everyone gets responsibilities when they grow, so I will be no different from them. But my age was still my concern. I can't tell you guys how many times I checked my age on age calculators with the hope that maybe I am 18, not 19, as I also had a fear of turning 20. Day by day, things went worse. I got different reasons to be sad about as days passed on. My school was almost over and there was lockdown all over the globe because of the pandemic. So, yeah, I was stuck in my house and had no way to go out and meet my friends so that I could share my problems with them and talk to them sitting side by side. Some of the things that I used to be sad about were the every happy moment of my life is gonna end of one day. I'm gonna miss the love and care that getting from my parents now when I will be old, maybe 60 or 70. I used to cry a lot over the fact that my parents will be gone and I will be old. Just like the other old people, I will also be lonely with no one caring about me. I will just be counting my last days on this earth. I can still recall my days crying all day, and even at night, I used to wake up and start crying, sitting on the floor. I stopped talking to anyone. My younger siblings tried to make me laugh, make me smile, but that smile was temporary. And I used to start crying whenever I used to realize that my time with my sibling is also not permanent. My condition started getting worse as days passed by. Now I started overthinking about every hour. Things like one more hour of my youth is gone. What did I do in that hour? Whenever I used to look at any past date, a wave of sadness used to hit me hard. And like always, I used to sit alone, crying over the fact that so much time of my life has already passed, which will never come back. Now my parents were worried about me. They used to cheer me up. They took me to my friend's house so that maybe I can share anything with them because I was not telling anyone whatever I felt back then, as I had a fear that people might consider me a crazy one who is obsessed with staying young or living a long life. I came to a point in my life where I decided to just end my life so that all my worries will be gone in an instant. But I was unable to do so when I thought what will happen to my parents, siblings, and friends. It took me 1 to 2 years to finally heal from this mental pain and have a positive perspective about life and growing up. Now you may ask, how did I started and what my journey was? So it all started when one day my mother started crying in front of me and told me that she can't see me like this anymore. Then I decided to be finally happy no matter what and work on my problem. Now I will share some steps which I followed to finally lead a happy life. Step number one, change your perspective. I changed my statement from I am getting old to I am growing up. We humans only focus on what we lost but never focus on what we have or what we got. Same goes with growing up. We only focus on the fact that our age number is increasing, but we don't realize that now we have a chance to make our own identity. We can be independent, live our life on our own terms without anyone stopping us from doing something just because we are too young. Step 2, start living in the present. I think this is the best skill you can learn whether you fear of getting old or not. Because this present will become the past that will remember in the future. So why not make this moment memorable by living it to the fullest? That time I was sad because I lost my teenage years while being 19 years old. Meanwhile, there were some people in their mid 20s missing the time when they were 19. On the other hand, there are also some people in their 30s missing their 20s. In short, no one is happy with the age they are in, but eventually gonna miss it when they will lose this time. That's why I started living in the moment, and trust me, guys, you will not have the time to think about the past when you start doing it. Step number 3. Now, try new things. We tend to focus on useless things when we have nothing exciting to do. That's why I recommend you guys to try out new hobbies to engage your mind, which makes you happier as you improve in whatever you are doing. Like in my case, I always wanted to learn sketching, but was too lazy to start. So, just to engage my mind, I started sketching and I felt so happy while doing it because I was finally doing something I like instead of crying. These are some of the sketches that I made. I know they look awful, but I was so proud of me back then. I will always have these photos in my phone so that whenever I feel bad in the future, I can look at them as a lesson that I can do something new instead of feeling bad. You can also use your time and energy on yourself and have a glow up because I had a massive glow up after that, physically and mentally both. People literally started praising and asking me for tips. I will be making a separate video on my glow up journey. Step number 4, accept yourself. This was the most important step in my entire journey. I think the reason that we feel bad about getting old is because there is a trend of being forever young in today's world. I mean, people literally consider young age as a flex in front of people older than them. The solution to this is acceptance. Just accept the fact that every age is valid for only 1 year. Young people will eventually get old. Everybody is going old. Everybody is growing old around us, and we are not the only one. We can't control anything which is normal. We should also accept ourselves too, like no matter what age we are 15, 20, or 30, no matter how many responsibilities we have, we will always love ourselves and never miss the opportunity to enjoy the moment as much as we can. We will light up our eyes with happiness just like we did in childhood, so that when our time to leave this earth comes, we will be proud of ourselves that we lived a memorable and meaningful life. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to my story. I hope this video helped you. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel because I will be uploading my glow up journey and easy tips for glow up too because I was so lazy to glow up also. So I will be making videos for lazy people like me. So thank you again, guys, and all the best for your future. God bless you.